Inside this box of awesome is the MagMod Professional Flash Kit. It has everything you need to create epic images quickly and easily. First up is the MagSphere 2, the MVP of your gear bag. The MagSphere 2 instantly shapes your flash into a diffuse omnidirectional light source, perfect as an on-camera or off-camera diffuser. Throw the MagSphere onto the MagGrip to diffuse light beautifully and efficiently. The new MagSphere 2 is now 40% lighter than our original award-winning flash diffuser, and like all our modifiers found in the Professional Flash Kit, is virtually indestructible. Next, the MagGrip 2. Bare speed lights throw off a pretty wide beam of light, and controlling where that light goes is critical to creating awesome photos. The MagGrip 2 shapes your light and makes light go exactly where you want it in a carefully optimized 40-degree beam pattern. It eliminates unwanted light spill. Want even more control? Multiple grids stack easily for an even tighter beam. Think of it as your BFF for light control. Next is the Pro Correction Gels. MagMod's Pro Gels are a thing of beauty. Balancing your flash color temperature has never been easier thanks to the rigid polycarbonate Pro Gels. The new gels have been redesigned to be faster and stronger than ever thanks to our new embedded magnet design and increased strength. These gels were designed to last a lifetime, built with nearly indestructible shatterproof material. Thanks to the magnetic modular design, you can stack multiple Pro Gels onto your flash and even another MagMod modifier on top to kick things up a notch. This is the MagGrip 2. Our patented universal magnetic base that makes MagMod, well, magic. Because of the MagGrip, attaching modifiers to your flash has never been easier. This durable silicone band fits tightly over almost any flash, even roundhead flashes. Freakishly strong neodymium magnets make hassle-free modifier changes a piece of cake. Lastly, we have the MagBounce 2. The MagBounce 2 is a super simple bounce modifier that diffuses and increases the size of your bare flash. Now 30% lighter than before. It's a perfect modifier for many situations you'll find yourself in, including events, outdoor wedding receptions, and even large group photos. Magnets make it easy to configure your light in 4 different configurations, whether you're using your camera in portrait or landscape. It's basically a small softbox that fits in your pocket, increasing the apparent size of your flash by 300% for beautiful, even light with the highest output. The MagMod Professional Flash Kit has been one of our undisputed top-selling kits since its launch. Included in the kit are all the most popular core modifiers that every photographer can put to use at a great value. With MagMod, you'll work faster, easier, and more efficiently than before. There's a reason many of the world's best photographers count on MagMod. Fast, easy, awesome. That's MagMod.